This is what my apartment looks like every week with PR packages, so let's do an unboxing. I think we'll just start at the top and go from there. First, we have Bobbi Brown. This package was shipped especially for you. We can't wait to see the effortlessly beautiful look you create using our easy artistry-inspired essentials. So we have the Smoky Eye Mascara, the vitamin-enriched face base, which I love. I use this all the time. This highlighting powder. Beautiful. Super glowy, almost like a blush color, really pretty. And their face base, I use this every day before my makeup. Put it all over my skin before I do my makeup as like a primer, but it's also super moisturizing, so I love this. Smoky Eye Mascara. We love a thick applicator that makes your lashes look so long. Thank you, Bobbi Brown. Next is so many goodies from Urban Decay. I sent their all-nighter setting spray and then their vitamin C setting spray. And then this is a face primer. 24-hour glide-on pencil. Infamous Space Cowboy Moon Dust. I really don't think I've ever found an eyeshadow as sparkly as this one. It is insanely gorgeous. It's just after one swipe, it is so sparkly and beautiful. I'm obsessed. They seriously just crush it every time. Okay, this one says Fragile. I'm a little scared. This is from Lancome. So cool. It says Step into the Future of Skin Repair. Oh my God. Okay, it's a time capsule that is so sickening. Take a journey into the future of your skin. Let's open it up. Oh my God. Inside is their skin serum. More than just a serum, it's the future of skincare designed to repair your skin's barrier, accelerate surface cell renewal, proven to transform your skin's recovery process, and reverse visible signs of skin damaging in just 1 week. This is so cool. And it says Lancome on the time capsule. This is such a cool package. I love when brands get creative with their gifting. This is definitely one of the coolest things I've ever gotten. Thank you, Lancome. Tatcha, so excited about this because I love Tatcha. Who doesn't? It says, welcome to the Tatcha family. We can't wait to see how you help us shape the next chapter of our story. The matcha cleanser, the water cream. I feel like everybody wanted this in college. This was like the fanciest skincare that you could have. I remember seeing this packaging for the first time and how it came with this golden spoon, and I thought it was so fancy. The Kiss You lip mask. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Look at this packaging, and it comes with a little golden spoon. That feels amazing. Beautiful. And it tastes so good. It's like, I don't know what that flavor is, but it's delicious. Might be my new favorite lip gloss. Wow, I love that. I have the Silk sunscreen. SPF 50, that's great. And then they sent these little hair clips for when you do your skincare. This is truly so gorgeous. Okay, next is this huge package from Target. Open it up. Whoa. Vitamassu's Target holiday exclusive. Find your holiday glow at Target. It has all of these lip butter bombs. We have candy cane, frosted berry, and vanilla snow. Lip mask, eye mask, hand mask, and foot mask. This is so cute. This is adorable and so fun. Next is Sephora. Okay, so many goodies in here. We have, a vegan detangle and style brush from the brand Day. Wow. Oh my God, that's beautiful. And this is my favorite color, like a baby pink. It's like definitely a detangling brush with like the soft bristles. And I love this brand. I will be using that every day. This is the Refi Face Primer. I've seen all of the makeup girlies using this, so now I feel super cool. It's the roll-on face primer, so you roll it on your face. I'm a makeup girly now. Patrick Ta. This is one of my favorite palettes. The one that I originally had is completely empty, so this is much needed. This is in the shade She's Wanted. Okay, wow, that's beautiful. This is like the perfect color for me too. I love a mauve blush and like a mauve lip color. This is perfect for me. I'm so excited to try this. Next is Natasha Denona. They sent their concealer, which I've heard so much about. I've heard nothing but rave reviews about this concealer. Makeup girlies love this product. I know that for a fact. As always, if you made it to the end of this video, comment below what your favorite item from the unboxing was and I will send it to you. Obviously, I have a lot of stuff and I don't need it all. So as a thank you to you guys, because without you, none of this would even be here. Make sure you're following me and just comment what your favorite item from the video was and I will send it to you. Okay, love you, bye.